Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Abhijit and today in this video I will tell you how to arrange pick list multi-select values in alphabetical order. So in Salesforce, by arranging or sorting the pick list multi-select value in alphabetical order, we got a better arrangement of the values with a proper data management, and it is easy to access the record with better arrangement. So we will see the process of arranging pick list multi-select value in alphabetical order in the both versions of Salesforce, that is Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce Classic as well. So let's move ahead and see the process. So right now I have logged into my Salesforce account, and on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, click on the object manager, and in the object manager you have to select an object in which you have existing pick list multi-select values. So I have existing pick list multi-select value in the object contract. So I will click on the contract, and from here you have to select fields and relationships and select the pick list multi-select field from the fields and relationships. So this is the pick list multi-select field, lead contacts. We will click on it, and now we will scroll down, and here as you can see, and in the value section there are the values of pick list multi-select field. So now we are going to arrange these values in alphabetical order, and for that click on this reorder button, and here you can see this button display values alphabetically, not in the order entered. So we will activate this checkbox and click on the save button, and now as you can see the values are arranged in alphabetical order. So this is how we arrange pick list multi-select value in alphabetical order in Salesforce Lightning. So now we will move ahead and see the same process in Salesforce Classic as well. And to switch to the Classic version, I will click on this view profile, and here select the option switch to Salesforce Classic. So right now we are on the home page of Salesforce Classic, and here we will click on this setup tab, and on the setup page go to this build section and click on this customize drop down, and here we have to select an object with an existing pick list multi-select values. So I have an existing pick list multi-select field in the leads object, so I will click on the drop down of leads, and here select the option fields, and in the fields you have to scroll down, and in the custom fields and relationships we have to select our pick list multi-select field. So this is the pick list multi-select field, potential leads. So I will click on it, and here in the value section you can see the values, and now we are going to arrange these values in alphabetical order. For that we will click on this reorder button, and here you can see this checkbox display values alphabetically, not in the order entered. So we will activate this checkbox and click on the save button. Now you can see these values are being arranged in the alphabetical order. So this is how we arrange pick list multi-select values in alphabetical order in Salesforce Classic. So I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.